screening capacity for COVID screening and test specimen collection varies statewide depending on the island. And while more clinic and testing resources are coming online almost every day, lawmakers and doctors on the neighbor islands are calling for a fast catch-up. Gina Mangieri is always investigating. Gina.
Oahu's COVID screening capacity grew significantly this week, as did Kauai's hospital. Private labs and urgent care drive-through testing ramped up too. We're looking into when Maui County and the Big Island can expect to see more screening resources as well. In a week that saw rapid clinic and urgent care private testing rolled out, Queens Hospital in Honolulu added this walking well tent for qualified patient testing. Hawaii Pacific Health also launched more sampling capability at Straub, Kapiolani, Polimomi, and at Wilcox on Kauai, which took the tests for the now positive 2 visitors.
Any hospital in the state, and we have 28 hospitals across the state, can test for COVID-19 if you meet the criteria. In addition to that, there are a series of other sites that are being tested, that stood up to help manage the capacity of the people who would qualify to get tested for COVID-19. You still have to meet the criteria. You can't just walk in and say, look, I'm concerned I might have it.
The Healthcare Association of Hawaii says expect to see even more regional testing centers or collection sites pop up in the coming days. On the Big Island, effective Monday, Queens North Hawaii Community Hospital in Kamuela will launch.
Our hospital, Maui Health Systems, and our County Department of Health is working on a plan to provide COVID testing off-site. No matter who provides it, we would really like to see an outpatient off-site testing area for COVID patients with respiratory symptoms and or fever away from our medical facilities.
KHON2 has learned the state pulled back on the rollout of additional temporary emergency-sourced screening centers on Maui and in Kona that could have been in place Saturday.
We were briefed yesterday is that these testing centers would be set up, and I don't know what happened, but that obviously did not happen.
Volunteers associated with Hawaii's Healthcare Emergency Management Coalition were told Friday activation was coming, then was quickly put back on standby.
It's unfortunate because that's what our clinicians on Maui are asking, and clearly I thought that we were all on the same page.
The State Department of Health told me the decision not to roll out was in part because private hospitals throughout the state are standing up additional screening and testing areas for COVID-19, and these additional resources are expected to meet the needs of the public. And they say HHEM volunteers come in part from the ranks of doctors and nurses currently working in local hospitals and medical offices, and pulling them away from their patients at this time may not be beneficial or efficient. Retirees also volunteer with HHEM, and the state says placing older people at higher risk for COVID-19 in screening roles also seems ill-advised at this time. Dr. Josh Green, who is the state's designated COVID-19 coordinator, arranged a workaround by Saturday afternoon.
I reached out again to our partners at Maui Memorial Hospital, which are Kaiser, and they agreed to provide the health care. The county folks are going to provide the facility, and they're going to get that baby up.
Green says HHEM is helping ensure all the necessary personal protective equipment is on hand. It's expected to be up by Monday. As for the Big Island, that regional solution is coming through the Hawaii Disaster Medical Assistance Team and the State Department of Defense.
In partnership with General Hara and his team, which has a lot of young people that can do a ton of work, we will have expert health care in combination with that excellent team so we can fill any spaces. And I think they will need to be deployed to West Hawaii, to the Big Island, where there is almost no testing capability at all. And that will finally be joined by Hilo, which Hilo Hospital will be deploying their regional testing center on Tuesday at 8 a.m. So we will finally have the state covered for outpatient capacity.
I'll continue to follow up on the testing and screening capacity statewide. Gina Mangieri, KHON2 News, always investigating.